Ladies and gentlemen, the Scheherazade Initiative is the sixth of our global humanitarian music projects, and we usually work, one element of what we do is to raise funds as well as public consciousness and focusing of media on the issue through music. And for this effort, our partner is the United Nations Trust Fund to End Violence Against Women. They are a grant-making organization located within the structure of the UN, and they have supported a number of extraordinary efforts and organizations around the world. And Breakthrough, which is a renowned organization here in India and in other parts of the world, the US, is one of their grantees who have made just spectacular strides. And here to talk about Breakthrough and some of their work made possible in part by grants from the UN Trust Fund is Meghana Rao, Deputy Director for Campaigns.
Hi, good evening. I hope everyone is having a wonderful time, and thank you to the artists for beautiful pieces of music which inspire organizations and individuals like me. Breakthrough's journey with the United Nations Trust Fund began with the Bell Bajao campaign to end domestic violence. Consequently, the campaign was adapted and adopted across 8 countries, China being the latest one. Breakthrough is a unique human rights organization working over the past 13 years to make violence against women and girls unacceptable across the constituencies of the United States and India. At Breakthrough, we believe that human rights is not a matter of declaration or something that exists in far-off lands. It is very much in the reach of individuals across. So it becomes the duty and responsibility for all of us to promote values of dignity, equality, and justice. We believe that human rights are universal, they belong to all, and no matter, no exceptions. So together with governments, through institutional organizations across our countries, we can make and change norms that perpetuate violence against women. How do we propose to do this? We do this by increasing the number of social change actors who take actions towards this common goal. Social change actor could be anybody from an individual to an institution to a corporate organization to community-based organizations that we work with across. One of our intervention states in India is Bihar and Jharkhand, and where this wonderful lady is from, and I will let her tell her story.
हम उस समय इनकार कर दिए कि नहीं, अभी बच्ची पढ़ रही है, इसको पढ़ने दीजिए।
अभी बहुत खराब है स्थिति, मेरा घर का छोटा सा घर है, इसीलिए मैं पढ़ लिख कर कुछ करना चाहती हूँ जो मेरे माँ बाप का ऐसा हाल ना रहे।
और अभी जब मैट्रिक पास कर गई लड़की तो माँ पिताजी सब खुश हो गए और वो लोग चाहते हैं कि अभी शिल्पी को और आगे पढ़ाएंगे।
मैं बड़े होकर टीचर बनना चाहती हूँ, सब बच्चों को पढ़ाऊंगी, पढ़ा लिखा के मेरे जैसे उन्हें भी कुछ बनेगी।
It is through bold action and affirmative messaging that we believe that we can change the world. Thank you all for coming out here tonight. A big thank you for Music for Change International, wonderful initiative, UN Women India, our wonderful partners, and of course, the UN Trust Fund. Have a wonderful evening, and human rights begins with you. Thank you.